Gentlemen, let's be honest. There's a question most men over 60 secretly think about but rarely discuss. How often should you masturbate at this age? Every day? Once a week? Or not at all? There's so much confusion and outdated advice out there. But today we'll uncover the science-based truth that keeps your energy, hormones, and confidence strong for years to come. Why frequency matters. Masturbation isn't just about pleasure. It's a full-body process. When you're aroused, your heart rate rises, blood vessels expand, and your brain floods with dopamine and oxytocin. It's a natural stress reliever and a reflection of your overall vitality. After 60, this process helps maintain blood flow, prostate health, and hormonal balance, but only when done in moderation. How aging changes the game. When you're younger, recovery after release is quick, blood flow, hormones, and nerves bounce right back. But after 60, recovery slows. Testosterone levels drop slightly, blood circulation takes longer, and nerves need more time to reset. That doesn't mean stop. It means adjust your rhythm so you stay energized instead of depleted. The science-backed sweet spot. According to Harvard research, men who ejaculated 4 to 7 times per month had fewer prostate issues. That's roughly every 3 to 5 days. Enough to maintain healthy circulation and hormonal flow without overtaxing your system. Regular activity keeps arteries flexible, boosts nitric oxide, and supports better erectile performance. The warning signs of too much. If you overdo it, your body will tell you. Weaker erections, fatigue, dull sensations, or pelvic pressure mean your system's overloaded. Like overtraining at the gym, you need rest between sessions. Think of it as giving your vascular system time to recharge, so every session stays powerful. The dangers of too little. Going too long without release isn't healthy either. The penis needs regular blood flow to keep erectile tissue elastic and responsive. Without it, stiffness decreases and scarring, fibrosis, can develop over time. The prostate also needs regular maintenance. Too much buildup can cause discomfort and inflammation. Listening to your body. There's no one-size-fits-all rule. Every man's recovery speed and hormone balance are different. The key is to tune in. If you feel clear, relaxed, and steady, you're in your ideal rhythm. If you feel sluggish, foggy, or overstimulated, your body needs more rest. The right balance keeps you sharp and satisfied. The role of physical fitness. Your body's recovery is directly tied to your physical health. Light strength training, stretching, or even brisk walking increases nitric oxide, the key molecule for strong erections. Think of every workout as a boost to your sexual health. Fitness equals better blood flow, better performance, and faster recovery. Hydration and circulation. Water isn't just for thirst. It's your natural enhancer. Blood is mostly water, and dehydration means reduced flow to erectile tissue. Stay hydrated, and you'll notice better energy, clarity, and firmness. Simple but powerful. Rest, sleep, and hormones. Testosterone production peaks during deep sleep. When you cut corners on rest, your morning energy and erections suffer. Sleep 7 to 8 hours nightly. It's the most natural testosterone therapy available. Nutrition for performance. Fuel your sexual health like you fuel your life. Spinach, beets, salmon, and berries all boost nitric oxide and protect your blood vessels. A clean diet equals strong circulation and sharper nerves, the perfect foundation for vitality at any age. For most men over 60, every 3 to 5 days is ideal, frequent enough to keep things active, spaced enough to recover. The best frequency is the one that leaves you feeling stronger, not weaker. You're not losing your drive. You're refining it with wisdom. So remember, age doesn't end your sexuality, it evolves it. Work with your body, not against it, and you'll keep your vitality for years. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with a friend who needs it, and subscribe to Dr. Zoe Hartley for more real, science-based wisdom on men's health and longevity.